Okay, now, what are the red things?
The yolk, egg yolks.
Hold the yolks, yeah.
Levantar los huevos, las yemas vos. Los huevos.
Those are yolk?
That's the eggs that you eat for breakfast.
The yolks. The
Oh.
yolks.
And what is that?
That is the womb.
That's the womb of the...
La madre.
Madre.
La madre.
Hey.
Yep. The feet.
La pezuña.
Chinese specialty is the chicken feet.
What is that?
I know what I got.
The gut?
Mira, ya no me lo
And the chicken. That's what.
Ya no me lo pueden amarrar.
Oh my god. Okay.
Como 25.
Hola, chicken.
You missed it, Robert.
Nah, I didn't miss that. I just didn't want to be a part of it.
We have it all on camera.
Oh.
Except for that's the very end here.
El pescuezo.
Eso means neck.
Pico es el...
Ala. ¿Qué tiene vos? Bien. Bien.
Robert, for what?
For the rocks.
Bien, bien. Hasta la carreta, ¿ves? She said to take the barrel.
That's too much weight though.
She said that you'll break this.
Oh, because there are no more rocks on top of this hill, and if I bring the wheelbarrow over there, it's gonna be too much weight.
But this is gonna break it. She said. Because it's weak. They use it for other stuff.
Now what are oh, that's the bones.
But it'll break it.
No se pierde. No parece.
So what do you do with all of that?
What you do with the gut? Throw it.
And then the animals eat it?
Yeah.
The animals eat it?
So, well, here chickens they eat the chickens and what's not. So they're all organic.
This is Adam's sister.
Hi, how are you? Sorry, I haven't taken a shower yet. Waiting for water.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. I feel guilty, but anyway, I can live with that. Once a year is no big deal. You know.
Once a year.
Yeah.
And who are these ladies?
This is my aunt, my cousin, my cousin's daughter. Yeah. So they're all my mom, my mom's side family. Yeah.
Yo no lo voy a hacer tú.
No, le estoy diciendo que usted es mi tía, de parte de mi mamá. Mi prima le digo y la hija de mi primo.
Yo no le entiendo.
So do they feed the eggs to the dogs?
Está más nerviosa que otra cosa.
Gilda, what do they do with the eggs and the intestines?
She put it in the stew. I'm just kidding. She
No, nothing is stewed. You can cook them separately.
She put them. She said that's for you, Felicia. A special plate.
No.
I don't know what you call that dish anymore.
It's a delicacy.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
in China they eat the feet.
Yeah.
Who eats the eggs?
Anybody eats it.
Burn them.
And the Chinese, I went to a huge, like the Chinese New Year is the ending of this month. So we have a lot of Chinese friends that invite us over. So they said, our specialty, you know, you have to take some of our specialty. Chicken feet, I told them, are you kidding me? I'm going to have that here, it's special. I chicken feet. They eat lots of it.
I know I ate turkey. I mean,
Yeah, turkey, I eat turkey. Yes, hija?
But now she's cutting it into pieces.
¿Dónde está él? Ven. ¿You coming? No.
Lili, ¿qué tú vas a hacer con eso?
¿Lo puedo freír?
No lo vas a freír.
Para mí. What did she say she's gonna
She
do?
said she's gonna make something with that for her.
What is she gonna make?
Tenemos una olla que no se pegue el arroz.
De esas no tengo.
No, vos. Porque yo necesito que el arroz salga bien y no pegado.
La sal supone que tiene que hacer.
Híjole. A mí no me gusta andar prestando, yo soy algo india de visita.
Okay, friends at home, this is how it's done. Hola, adios.